Okay, I'm going to try to put a copper rivet in a skate. Got a skate over here that the missing is steel rivet. I just took it out. I'm going to put a copper rivet back in place. This is the piece that goes in the bottom of the riveter. And got a copper rivet here. And I've got a burr. Sometimes these are copper, these on Blademaster. I believe they might be steel. Got the skate over here like this. I'm going to put this in from the inside. I've got the insole taken out. There's the rivet. And I'm going to hold this like this. See if I can center that right on the top. This is a big skate, so there you go. And I'm going to put the rivet on the top here. That's the burr. The copper is the rivet, and the round gizmo is the burr. And I'm going to select one of these tools and lift the rack up like this. There's two different tools that came with the kit, and they got different length snouts. Let's see if I can use the narrower one. These just pop in here like that. Go down, see how vertical I can get this. Line that up. Do firm, even pressure. Doesn't have to go super tight, but and then have that vertical. You have to force the boot up some. See if I can pull a boot up. There you go. So that's seated on there. Not the greatest, but that's on there. And then you have to cut off the copper rivet. I think the instructions to say use a side cutter. This is a top cutter piece. I'll cut it so there's about 1/8 of an inch left. Okay, so I cut this off. The burr's kind of a press fit in there, but you want to peen it over. And on these pieces here, there's two of these on here, and I think only the shorter one will actually peen this over. So I think this one is the one you've got to use. I put this down in the rack. I'll show that in a second. Push this in. It just right now becomes a butt flush. Now I'm going to position this so it's about vertical. Come over here. Okay, I've got the rivet that's been pressed on there. The burr has been pressed on. I've cut it off with the cutters. And hold this down like this just so it's snug. This is going to tap on and peen this over. So you want to use a hammer that's plastic because this is at eye level. So well, let's just go look, see what we did. That's got the concave piece there. And I've peened that over. And maybe I didn't hit it hard enough. Let's try it again. Another couple whacks. There you go. I've peened that over. Right there. So for clarity, This piece has got a concave feature that hits the rivet here and peens it over on the burr. Okay, here's from a different angle. I've got the tool here. This piece is down side here with the concave piece, and you hold just a little bit of pressure on here. I'm tapping this down. And there's the peened rivet right here. So it's been peened over. Siding. Okay, for clarity, I'm going to show the snout taken out here. This is the part that's hitting this, coming down at an angle like this, and the part that's in here is to where it just comes about flush. So you're holding with the rivet tool, you're holding this in compression, the top of the rivet to the burr, and then this piece is coming here and tapping on this like this. Now, unless this is in compression, what will happen is it's going to pop out. So by having a little bit of tension with the riveter, and when you tap on this, it peens this over. So this has got a copper rivet here, a little bit stronger, to replace the steel one.